So, thank you all for watching the video last time. I posted a video on how to connect n8n project to Google Sheets and through MCP tools, and I have gotten few views and well, thank you all for uh, supporting and watching this video. I had few feedbacks from last video on the last video that I did on how to connect the n8n to Google Sheets with MCP tools. So today I wanted to show you how you can connect the n8n tool with uh, to the API of Blotato, and how you can publish to any social media website. And this setup is pretty straightforward and easy. And to begin with, let me show you a very simple workflow that you can set up on n8n. So I have a very simple setup here where I have a manual trigger, and then I have a node for all the social media, and then the ID. So for this one, I have just to set up. I had just to set up for Twitter, and you can use that to set up more to connect to more social medias. And this ID you can get it from Blotato, and which I will show you to you later. And then once you have done that, you have a node for publishing to the social media using Blotato. So for Blotato, this API is for just publishing like a text post, and you can see here where I've got that from is from the help Blotato. And if you go to base URL and then you go to down to the API, you will see that actual REST API that you need to use. So here example is that you can do a post, and then you have a content type of application slash JSON, and you have the content, which is in this format. So I've just used that to publish a hello post to Twitter. And you will see the setup that I have, my field key, my API value, and then I have the content type of JSON, and then they specified it's using JSON, and then I've used the Twitter with hello world. So this is the actual text that I'm using, but we can change it to any text and saying, content for YouTube post. And this is the post that's going to be sent to my Twitter account. And that's all you have to do to set up n8n. And I'll show you, I'll just first save this and do a test run. So if I do a test run, my post is just published. So if I go to my Twitter account, and then if I go to my profile, you will see that the content just got published. And I'll just delete that right now. And to set up the Blotato account, what you have to do is that you have to go to blotato.com, and to connect to n8n, you will need to set up an API key, and for which you will have to subscribe to the Blotato, although it has like a 7-day trial. And once you're done with that, you can go to settings, and then it has options to connect to many of the social media accounts. And the one that I have connected is to Twitter. So if I did a login with Twitter, and it shows you here that my Twitter account is connected here. And then if I do click copy, and this is how I can get the account ID that I can use it in the n8n to specify the ID of the social media that I'm supposed to use for posting to Twitter. Okay, and I think that's all you have to do. So I will share the link to this file, and I'll share the website to Potato that you can use. And please click and subscribe. Thank you.